In this video, we are still going to have a look at simplifying algebraic expressions using multiplication, but we're going to focus on some special products.
First of all, we're going to look at products that lead to difference of two squares. The first example is the bracket x minus y multiplied by the bracket x plus y. The terms in the brackets are exactly the same except for the sign in each term. The one is a minus sign and the other one is a plus sign. If you multiply these two brackets with our method, you get x squared, and the inner product is minus xy and the outer product is plus xy, and the last term is minus y squared. Now if you look at the two middle terms, they are additive inverses of each other, and therefore the sum of the two like terms in the middle is exactly 0. And that's why the answer is the difference of two squares. Let's do a second example. 5a times 5a is 25a squared, and the middle term, or the two middle terms, is minus 10ab and plus 10ab, and the last term is minus 4b squared. And now you can see that the two like terms are exactly 0, so the answer is 25a squared minus 4b squared. It is, if you understand the work, it is not necessary to write down the second step. You can go immediately from the question, determine the product, to the final answer. In this example, where there are 3 terms in each bracket, you can group the first 2 terms in each bracket. And those are similar terms, so then you can multiply the 2 brackets with each other. 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2, and then the inner product is y times the bracket, and the outer product minus y times the bracket, and that is exactly 0. And then plus y times minus y is y to the power of 2. In the final step, you can multiply the 2 brackets in the first term, which is 9x squared minus 6x minus 6x, which is minus 12x, and minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So your final expression is a 4-term expression. The next topic is squaring a binomial. Let's look at the example a plus b in brackets to the power of 2. What you need to realize is that the brackets are exactly the same. So both brackets in this case is a plus b. And then you follow the method a squared plus ab, b times a, plus a times b, plus b times b, b squared. And the 2 middle terms are plus 2ab, plus the last term, b squared. If you want to skip this step, there is a shorter method. If you realize how to get the middle term, you can see that the 2 middle terms are exactly the same. So all you need to do is square the first term, multiply the 2 terms in the bracket with each other, a times b, and double your answer, multiply it by 2. So that's a times b, ab, and 2 times that. And then the last term is squaring the last term in the bracket. So it is not necessary to write down an in-between step. Here is a second similar example, just with a minus in the bracket, and then the answer is minus ab for the middle term and minus ab for the middle term plus b squared. And then simplify that, minus 2ab plus b squared. Again, if you want to take the shorter version, you just say the first term multiplied by itself multiply the two terms and double your answer. A times minus b is minus ab, double that is minus 2ab. Take the last term and multiply it by itself. The last term is always a positive term. Let's square the binomial 2a minus 3. 2a times 2a is 4a squared. The middle term is 2a times minus 3 is minus 6a, and double your answer or multiply by 2 is minus 12a. The last term is minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9. Let's do a last example. Minus a minus 3b in brackets to the power of 2. Minus a times minus a is a to the power of 2. The middle term, minus a times minus 3 is b is plus 3ab, but then you double the answer, it's 6ab, and minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9b times b squared. Remember, you can always write the two brackets out if it's safer for you to do it that way. In this example, we're going to cube a binomial. If you know Pascal's triangle, you can use a shortcut. Otherwise, you must write out the three brackets. Then we're going to multiply two of the brackets with each other, and then the third bracket with that answer. I'm going to leave the first bracket and multiply the last two brackets with each other. First term is a squared, and the middle term, I'm going to use the shortcut, minus 3ab, and minus 3ab is minus 6ab, and the last term plus 9b to the power of 2. And then I'm going to use the distributive law, multiply a with all the terms in the second bracket. Then you multiply minus 3b with all the terms in the second bracket. After this, you simplify the expression by adding all the like terms. Minus 6a squared b and minus 3a squared b. The other two like terms are plus 9ab squared and plus 18ab squared. The final expression is a four-term expression.